Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English Chats.
Hi, friends. It's so nice to talk with you again.
Today, we are going to a restaurant.
Yes, a nice, cozy restaurant. We are hungry.
Very hungry. My stomach is making noises.
Mine too. Let's go inside.
Okay, we are opening the door now.
Oh, it smells so good in here.
Yes, it smells like bread and soup.
Mmm, delicious. Look, there's a waiter.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Table for two, please.
Yes, just 2 people.
The waiter's smiling. He's very friendly.
He says, "Follow me, please."
Oh, good. We are walking to our table now.
Here we are, a nice table by the window.
I love this spot. We can see the street.
Me too. Let's sit down.
Ah, this chair is comfortable.
Very comfortable. Now, the waiter is giving us menus.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
He says, "Take your time."
Okay, let's look at the menu.
So many choices.
I know. Chicken, fish, pasta, salad.
Oh, and pizza too.
I love pizza, but I also love pasta.
It's hard to choose.
Wait, what is this word? Grilled?
Grilled. It means cooked on fire, like hot fire.
Oh, I understand. Grilled chicken.
Yes, exactly. Do you like chicken?
I do, but today I want pasta.
Good choice. Which pasta?
This one, spaghetti with tomato sauce.
Sounds delicious. I want, soup and a sandwich.
Soup is good. It's cold outside.
Yes, warm soup is perfect.
The waiter is coming back now.
Oh, good. I'm ready to order.
Hello again. We are ready.
Great. What would you like?
I would like the spaghetti, please.
Spaghetti with tomato sauce?
Yes, that's right.
And for you?
I would like vegetable soup and a chicken sandwich.
Perfect. And to drink?
What do you have?
We have water, juice, soda, coffee, tea.
I want orange juice, please.
Me too. 2 orange juices.
Coming right up.
Thank you so much.
He's walking away now.
Good. Now we wait.
I'm so hungry. My stomach is still making noise.
Mine too. Like grr, grr.
That's so funny. We sound like animals.
Hungry animals, but the food is coming soon.
I hope so. How long do we wait?
Maybe 10 minutes? 15?
Okay, that's not too long.
No, we can talk and relax.
Look, other people are eating already.
Yes, that food looks so good.
That man has a big steak.
Wow, it's huge. And those fries?
I love fries, crispy and salty.
Me too. Next time, we order fries.
Deal. Oh, the waiter's bringing our drinks.
Finally, I'm thirsty too.
Here you go, 2 orange juices.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Food is coming soon.
Wonderful. Cheers. Let's drink.
Cheers. This juice is so fresh.
Very fresh and sweet. I love it.
Me too. It's cold and delicious.
Perfect. Now I feel a little better.
Me too, but I still want my pasta.
Be patient. It's coming.
I know. Oh, wait. I smell something.
Me too. It smells amazing. Is that our food?
Maybe. Let's look.
Yes, the waiter is bringing a big tray.
That's our food. I can see the soup.
And my spaghetti. It looks so good.
Here you are, spaghetti for you.
Thank you. It looks beautiful.
And soup and sandwich for you.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Enjoy your meal.
You too. Thank you for the delicious food.
It was wonderful.
Okay, let's eat. I'm so excited.
Me too. Wait, Let me smell it first.
Yes, smell it. How is it?
Amazing. The tomato sauce smells so fresh.
My soup smells like vegetables and herbs.
Mmm, healthy and warm.
Let's taste now.
Okay, I'm trying my spaghetti.
And I'm trying my soup.
Mmm, oh wow.
How is it?
So good. The sauce is sweet and a little spicy.
Spicy? Really?
Just a little, not too much.
Interesting. My soup is perfect, hot and tasty.
I'm so happy. This is delicious.
Me too. Oh, I'm trying my sandwich now.
How is the chicken?
Very good. Soft and juicy.
Wonderful. I love this place.
Me too. We should come here again.
Yes, definitely. Oh no,
What happened?
I dropped my fork.
It's okay. Call the waiter.
Excuse me, can I have another fork, please?
Of course. One moment.
Thank you. I'm so clumsy today.
It happens. Don't worry.
Here's your new fork.
Thank you so much.
Now I can eat again.
Good. How's your spaghetti now?
Still delicious, but now I feel it.
Feel what?
The spice. It's getting hotter.
Oh no. Do you need water?
Yes, please. My mouth is on fire.
Here, drink my water.
Thank you. Glug, glug.
Better now?
Yes, much better. That was intense.
Spicy food is tricky.
I know, but I still like it.
You're brave. I don't like too much spice.
Everyone is different. That's okay.
True. Oh, I'm almost finished.
Me too. My plate is almost empty.
That was so good. I'm full now.
Me too. Very satisfied.
My stomach is happy.
Mine too. No more noise.
Should we get dessert?
I want to, but I'm so full.
Me too. Maybe next time.
Yes, next time we get cake or ice cream.
Perfect plan. Let's ask for the bill.
Good idea. Excuse me,
Yes?
can we have the bill, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right away.
Thank you.
He's very nice.
Yes, very polite and helpful.
Bean service makes a restaurant special.
I agree. Oh, here's the bill.
Let me see. Okay, not too expensive.
How much is it?
$30 for both of us.
That's reasonable. Let's split it.
Okay, $15 each.
Perfect. I have cash.
Me too. Let's pay.
Here you go, $30.
Thank you very much. Have a great evening.
You too. Thank you for the delicious food.
It was wonderful.
Okay, let's go now.
Yes, I'm ready. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. See you next time.
We're walking outside now.
The night air feels nice and cool.
Yes, after warm food, it's refreshing.
That was a perfect dinner.
I agree. I'm so happy we came here.
Me too. Next time, we try something different.
Yes, maybe pizza or steak?
Sounds good. And dessert too.
Definitely dessert.
Okay, friends, that's our restaurant conversation today.
We hope you enjoyed it.
Practice these phrases at home.
Say them slowly, again and again.
Don't worry about mistakes.
Everyone makes mistakes. That's how we learn.
Just keep practicing and you will improve.
We believe in you.
Thank you for listening today.
See you in the next conversation. Goodbye and happy learning.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care.